Hi everyone, I will show you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile and tap the three lines on the top right, then tap setting and privacy, scroll down, then tap the add account. Now tap the log into and tap the switch account and enter the email and password and tap login. If you want to switch your profile, then hold your profile picture in the bottom right and tap to switch your account. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.